Hey friends, let's do Living Next Door to Alice Guitar Lesson by Smokie. I'll play the intro, then we'll break it down. So we're just playing an A chord, and you can hold that right through the intro here. Play the open A string, then play the G, B, E, back to B, G, B, back to G, slowly. And just repeat that 4 times. And that's our intro there. So again, we're just repeating the A from the intro 2 more times. And again. Then jump to a D chord. We're going to play the open D string, G, B, E, back to B, G, B, and back to G. And do that 2 times, then we're jumping to an E chord. This time we're going to play the open E string, 2nd fret on the D. Play B, E, B, G, back to B, G, and we do that 2 times. Back to the A, and this changes a little bit here. We play the open A string, G, B, E, back to B, G, B, and then go to the D there. We only do that once. Then go back to our E chord, and we're just doing this once here, the same as our previous E. Open E string, D, B, E, B, G, B, back to the G there. And we do that 2 times, and that's our verse there. So for our chorus, we're starting on A, we're doing it for 2 bars. Now strumming pattern's going to be down, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up. Then we go to D and do exactly the same 2 bars. Down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up. To E, the same for 2 bars. Down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up. Then we go to A, and we're just doing 1 bar here, so down, down, up, down, down, up. To E for 1 bar, the same. Down, down, up, down, down, up. Then repeat that again, back to the A. To the D, the same, 2 bars. This time we go for E for a bar. Down, down, up, down, down, up. To E7 for a bar. Down, down, up, down, down, up. A for a bar again. Down, up, down, down, up. Back to E for a bar. And that's our chorus there. So our verse is exactly the same as the first line of our chorus. Our A for 2 bars. To our D for 2 bars. To our E for 2 bars. To our A for a bar. Back to E for a bar. And just do that 2 times, and that's our verse. From there we go back to the chorus, and that's exactly the same. Then we have our next section. So this next section we're just going back to the intro again, the A 2 times, the D 2 times, the E 2 times, back to the A, finishing on the D strings, back to E. Then go back to the A again, 2 more times, back to the D 2 more times. And then we just play the open E string there, and that's guitar 1. So the second guitar, we're just starting with this run on the A string, 5, 7, D, 4, 6, 7, G, 4, 6, 7. Then just strum the A chord. Then we're jumping to 6 on the G, 5 on the B, and hammer onto 7 on that B. Play 6 and 5 again, and then just go back to the D chord, strum once. Then come up to 7 on the B, 5 on the E, and hammer onto 7 on the E. Back to 7 and 5 and play the E chord. Now we're going to do the same, but we're going to come up 2 frets, 9 on the B, 7 on the E, and hammer onto 9. Back to 9 and 7. Then we're just playing 9G, 10B, 9 on the E. Go back to our run again, to the A, and our little A fill, to the D, our little D fill, and then we're just playing 4G, 5B, 4E, and then we have that break there. Then our last chorus just changes a little bit. We have our A for 2 bars, D for 2 bars, E for 2 bars, A for a bar, back to the E for a bar, A for 2 bars, D for 2 bars, so all the same so far, E for a bar, to E7, now to A for 2 bars, then just finish on the E, strum once to D, and that's the end of the song, and we have one little fill to finish off. So just play 9 on the B, 7 on the E, hammer onto 9 on the E, back to 9 and 7, then play 10 on the B and the E 2 times, back to 9 on the G, 10 on the B 2 times, then jump up to 12 on the B and the E, and we're going to hammer onto 14 on the B. And there are all the guitar parts there. Thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoyed Living Next Door to Alice Guitar Lesson. Don't forget to like and subscribe and hit that notification bell. And if you love your 70s rock, glam and pop, jump onto my YouTube channel for hundreds more songs, and I'll see you then.